In today's tutorial, we're going to be quickly going over how to make a granny square for those who already know how to crochet, but just need a quick refresher on how to do this technique. All right, to begin this pattern, I'm going to start with a magic circle. You can also begin this with a chain 5 and a slip stitch to join to create a circle, but I prefer the adjustable. So now that we've got that, what we're going to be doing is working all of the stitches of the first round into the ring. So because the magic circle counts as one chain, I'm just going to chain 2 more, and that will be a total of chain 3 to bring me up to the height of the double crochet. So now I'm going to do 2 double crochet. Now it's worth noting that the chain 3 always counts as a stitch. So here is my first cluster of double crochet. What I did was chain 3 and then I put 2 double crochet. So now what we're going to do is chain 2. And then this is our repeat. So we're going to do 3 double crochet and then chain 2. And we're going to repeat that until we have 4 clusters.
We're now going to slip stitch into the top of the chain 3 to join, and then we're going to cut a tail of about 6 inches and fasten off.
So you can add the yarn into any of these chain space corners from the previous round. What I'm going to do is just put it into this corner. You can stick it through a stitch space if you prefer, but I just prefer to go into the space. So you could go through a stitch to attach it, but I'm just going to go in right through the space. It's a preference thing. It's really not a lot of difference except for doing it this way. It gives you a bit more movement with the stitch so it's not locked into one spot. Okay, so to begin this round, we're going to chain 3, and then we're going to put 2 double crochet in the same chain corner. Then we're going to chain 2, and into the same corner space, we are going to do 3 more double crochet. So there's 1, 2, and 3. We're then going to chain 1, and then here's the repeat. We're going to do in the next corner space right over here, we're going to put 3 half double crochet, we're going to chain 2, and then we're going to put 3 more half double crochet and chain 1. We're going to repeat that all the way around. So here's our 3rd double crochet, then we chain 2, put another cluster of 3 double crochet right in here. 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to chain 1. And we're going to repeat that all the way around. Okay, and then we're just going to slip stitch into the top of the chain 3 to join. Okay guys, now for round 3, this is our final round. And what we're going to do is again, just begin in any corner space here. So I'm just going to choose this one. And this round begins by chaining 3. So there's my chain 3. Next, I'm going to put 2 double crochet. There's 1 and 2. Now I'm going to chain 2, and then in the same corner space, we're going to put 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Now we are going to chain 1, and into this center space here, see, we can't pull it all the way across. We need to work a cluster into that spot there. So now we are just going to do a cluster of 3 double crochet. And then we're going to chain 1, And in the next corner, we are going to do 3 double crochet, and then we're going to chain 2 and do 3 double crochet.
We're going to repeat from where the asterisk begins all the way around.
And then we're just going to slip stitch into the top of the chain 3 to join. At this point, all you would need to do is go and weave in your ends, and then you can connect these beautiful little motifs to create nearly anything. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you all for watching.